All right, good morning, folks. I'd like to show you how to use Screencastify. And the reason I'm doing this is because I think that most everyone now has a Google Classroom set up or some sort of web platform so that you can accept assignments, you can post links, you can distribute assignments, that sort of thing. The nice thing about Screencastify is that if you want to pre-record a lesson for the students, then you absolutely can use this tool. Now, right now, there's the 5-minute version is free. If you think this is a worthwhile tool for you and you want to buy the $29, the full extended version, then just let me know. I think that's something definitely worthwhile at this point in time. So, okay, I'm just going to make this super quick. And like I say, don't worry when you're making these videos. We're not striving for perfection here at all. Clearly. Okay. So if I went to screencastify.com, and now on my screen, you're going to see that it says already installed. Yours may not. Just literally click the button and it will install to Chrome. It speaks effortlessly to Chrome. Then I found the hardest part was like, okay, well, where the heck did Screencastify go? At the top then, forevermore, of your Chrome browser, you're going to see at the top right here, this sort of arrow, and that's your Screencastify app, we'll say. Now, if I click on it, mine's going to say that I'm currently recording. When you go in to start recording, it's going to say enable your webcam, enable your microphone. So you just click enable, and then it'll say, do you want to share your entire screen or do you want to share an application? Well, in my case, I just said, you know what, just share my entire screen. Okay, so, all right, sharing the entire screen. So what I like about this is if I go to, for instance, a PowerPoint or a slideshow that I've already prepared for the students. So what I can be doing is I can be going through the slideshow, lecturing, talking about different pieces, and all while I'm narrating it as we go along. Down here as well, you'll see a pen. That pen will allow you to write all over each of the slides, which is pretty cool. And I'll come back to that in a second. The other thing I can be doing, so I have multiple tabs open. So let's say I have a gizmo or some sort of demonstration that I want to show the kiddos. It's a new tab. Why this is doing this, I don't know. Here's the other thing. So while I figure this out, one of the beautiful pieces is that if you need to pause recording at any point in time and then just restart, it will allow you to do that, which is fantastic. So let's just say I pause. Okay, so I just needed to resume the sharing. Easy to do, just down here on the bottom left, you can pause the recording, you can resume the recording. Okay, so trying to show a gizmo here. So again, I'm just using my pointer. I can have all of this being demonstrated, and then as a classroom teacher, you can be explaining what's happening throughout. So that's a pretty neat option as well. So the same thing would happen for if you want to show a video, a small clip, whatever you need to do. Now, I will zip back to that presentation just to show you sort of the pin feature. So down here, bottom left, I have my tools. And if I hit pen, then, you know, I can use my pen to write on my slideshow. If I want to change the color, I can, don't need to, but, you know, whatever. Anywho, then at the very end, what you're going to do is you just hit end presentation. So down at the bottom, you can hit pause recording, whatnot. And at the very end, what's nice is it will actually ask you if you want to share it to your classroom. It'll allow you to save it as a YouTube video or share it to your classroom. So I think those are pretty fantastic features. And again, the 5-minute version is free, but if you want to upgrade, just let us know. And yeah, that's definitely something that we can accommodate at this point in time. All right, thanks.